Hi community, thank you so much for participating in the Building a Better World Mosaic Mural project. Your tile purchases are going to help us build this incredible mural. Our students participated in a contest. Each student submitted a design and then we voted on the designs, and our students created the mural designs around the concept of building a better world, and we gave them these words to kind of inspire them, and we hope they inspire you as you design your tiles. So the words are ally, compassion, diversity, courage, freedom, hope, justice, love, empathy, reach, peace, respect, and voice. Today, our lower school art teacher, Catherine, is going to show you how to make a tile and some ideas that we had. We were hopeful to have a lot of handprints, so she's going to show you how to do that, but also how to get really creative with your handprints and how to use some of the scraps and how to utilize everything to kind of create your own tiles. And we're so excited to see what everybody comes up with. If at any point you run into any problems and you need help, you can always email me. My name is Jen, and you can reach me at jsilver@sparhawkschool.com. Without further ado, here is Catherine.
Hi everybody! Thank you again for participating. The first thing that you're going to need to do is set up your workstation at home. So you'll need a simple surface. This is a board covered with canvas. If you have a piece of canvas at home, that'll work. A board is okay. You can even simply use a plate that is lined with the parchment paper that you have with your tile. Anything basically that the clay is not going to stick to. So plastic, for instance, would not be a good surface to work on because it would be hard to get your tile off of that plastic afterwards. So you probably don't realize it, but you've got a lot of tools at home, probably even in your kitchen, that you can use to work on your clay tile. So right here, are these in view? Yeah, all right. We've got some simple tools here that I will show you how to use. Q-tip. We've got a straw here, 2 straws of varying size. This is actually a lacing for cooking, but works great. Both ends actually work great. I'll show you what you can use those for. Just a simple butter knife, a fork, a pizza cutter if you've got one. We're going to need something to make marks if you want to add to your surface. So again, you can just use something sharp like this, or you can make a scoring tool. This is actually just a piece of an old credit card cut up, kind of fun. And then you're going to need just a small little dish and a paintbrush to make up a little glue, which is called slip. And that's if you want to build up your tile surface. And we will show you how to do that in the next video.